Now let's talk a little bit about what you need to bring to the interview. Having all the documents organized and easily accessible will really help you go through your interview process smoothly. First, of course, you have to have a valid passport, so ensure that the passport is valid for at least 6 months uh, beyond the visa appointment date. And you have to have a DS-160 confirmation page. That's the DS-160 ones that you fill out online, and then your confirmation page that you get once you filled it out. You need a visa appointment confirmation page. Of course, you have to take the original I-797 approval. That's your H-1B approval. And if you have any previous approvals, take those as well. Your approved LCA, copy of the approved certified LCA, offer letters, make sure it has all the details in there, the job title, duties, salary, and the employment terms. Of course, you have to take your original educational documents, so your original degrees and transcripts. And if it's a foreign degree, make sure you get an evaluation done. Take a resume, make sure your resume is correct. If you are doing, especially if you are doing a work experience evaluation, which means that you don't qualify based on only your degree, then you need to take work experience letters as well. And try to take originals of these if you have them. Your company support letter or the petitioner letter, which outlines your job duties. That's part of the I-129 petition, so you should take your entire petition. Company information, you should consider taking maybe a website printout and be ready to answer any questions with reference to the company, number of employees, uh, nature of business of the company, and if you have information about the finances, and if they ask this, then you should take that information as well, etc. If you are filing for a transfer, which means that you've already worked in the US and then you are applying for a visa on your vacation time, going back home and applying, but you're actually living in the US, then make sure you take status documentation to show that you've been maintaining your status throughout. If you're on an F1, that could be a letter from the school. If you are on a H1, it could be latest pay stub. Also, last but not the least, make sure you take passport size photographs and they make sure they meet all the requirements for a US visa.